2, 1, go! Ah. Hello.
Okay. Hi guys.
Hi guys. So today, what are we gonna cook?
So first we have to go to the customer. Come to the customer. Here.
Talk in English.
Okay. Can you please get me this?
Ticket.
Here?
And what recipe do you want?
I don't know.
సాయంత్రం మీరు 4 గంటకి పూతరేకి ఇస్తారు సార్.
So Vihaan, our customer. Once say hi to our customer.
Hi.
Hello.
So now she chose these are all the recipes.
Okay. Let me zoom in. Cookies. Zoom in.
Alright.
This is what it is. La, 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 la,
This is the first one. She did not pick this or
Sorry about that. We accidentally blurred the camera.
no. Okay. Okay, she chose Ting Paking Salimbazar. But there are 3 more. Papa Siki Pambahasa Timla Shimla Simla. And this is the special all of those combined. And that's a whopping. Okay, this is the so let's start the cooking. Come.
To the cooking kitchen. Oh no, the door is locked. What do we do?
Oh, I have the key.
Good. We are here at the kitchen.
So first for this recipe we need a bowl.
Oh, where do we get that bowl from now?
Wait, what is this? Where do you get the bowl? How do you find? Okay. So we are here at the kitchen.
Wait. Yeah. Oh, I understood how to blur. Okay. Okay, do.
We need a ball. What is it?
Cool.
I think it's
Excuse me, chef. I think the ball is right over here. Oh,
so we need a one size ball.
this should be.
This would be.
Good.
But we had a problem.
What?
Now the problem is fixed.
So, wait.
So
I just learned how to change the lighting.
this I also know.
Okay. So it looks like it's a little bit too dark, right? Come over here. See, it looks like nighttime. Let me turn on the lights. Oh, son, please come over here. It's getting daytime slowly. Okay, looks like it's too much bright. Light may decrease. Yeah, much better.
Okay. So we have a ball now.
Yeah.
Now we need some. So first we need to add some things. Okay. So first we need a banana.
Where?
Ooh, very interesting.
A banana.
We need only one banana for this.
Wait. Where should... I'm feeling like I should put the lighting somewhere. Okay, I'll put the lighting on the door.
Hey, stop,
Who cares? Yeah.
stop playing with it.
Okay, understood. I supposed to, like, unpeel.
We have to peel it.
I mean, yeah, peel, basically. Okay, so,
Okay.
don't worry, don't feel shy, Mr. Banana. We are just taking off your clothes. Okay, throw it in the trash can.
You don't need to show them the
Yeah.